Hello, beautiful Heal Your Life coaches. I am Victoria. I'm from Canada. I'm the teacher trainer here. My website is www.thetraining.ca, where you can get the details about what I'm about to talk about. But what I'm excited to share with you is some upcoming training we have for the fall of 2018. It is the Managing with Heart and Mind business program taught by Shashank and Sneha themselves from India, and they were the ones who put this program together in collaboration with Rick and Patricia from Heart Inspired Presentations. So imagine taking this program, Managing with Heart and Mind, into a corporate setting. It is your Heal Your Life workshops reframed to be suitable for a business environment. You will receive everything you need to do a 2-day presentation, a 1-day workshop, or a 3-hour presentation or workshop. Everything is interactive and involves people that are in the audience, so they will be growing and learning and sharing, and you will be improving the corporate culture. If this is something that speaks to you, you might want to consider looking into it farther at www.thetraining.ca. You will receive the manual, you'll receive PowerPoint presentation, concept notes, everything that you need, sample proposals, and this fabulous manual with the outline for everything that you need to say so that you can study it. In addition to that, there is going to be some exciting announcements coming up regarding ongoing education for the corporate environment, as well as a fabulous new website that is being built for Managing with Heart and Mind, and of course a private Facebook group where you can collaborate with other leaders from around the world. If this is appealing to you, do please visit www.thetraining.ca. The training will be from October 1st to 4th, 2018 in beautiful Calgary, Alberta, which is spectacular in the fall. I hope that you can join us. If you have any questions, please feel free to email me, victoria@thetraining.ca. Early registration is until July 1st, and we look forward to seeing you there. Thank you very much.